All right, welcome back. So this is another code.org challenge activity. This one happens to be for lesson 23 collisions. This one's going to be pretty quick. We're just using this debug property so that we can actually see what's going on with our collisions. So as we have, it'll have directions here, but let's first see what's going on. So if we reset this, we've got two coins moving across the screen. They hit each other and then they bounce off. Okay, so it says these two coins are round, so you would expect them to bounce in a certain way. Something weird is happening, though. Run the code and watch the way that the coins interact. Turn on the debugging feature for both sprites and run the code again. Change the gold coin start X position to 51 and run the code again. Okay, so let's keep it this way for a moment. This is at 51. And we're going to turn on this debug. And you can just do that by making it true. So now it's going to be running. Don't need that. Okay, so now when we run this, you can see they're moving across and they bounce off. Okay, so now let's go ahead and change this one to 51. Just change it a little bit. And then they bounce off again, and they bounce a little differently. So we can see if we watch these, one, the collider, the area around this, they're really not actually touching each other. They're touching the collider around it. So this is what the program is actually looking for and sensing, is this box around this. Okay, so because it hits on the corner, it's going to move in an unexpected way when they collide. Okay, so this is kind of what's going on with this. But really, this activity is just about you discussing with a partner, and then go ahead and turn it on the debug property. This is really useful when you're working with collisions and you want to see if it's working properly. So you can use this quite often in your code. Okay, nothing else we need to change with this, just a quick little activity. All right, hopefully that helps you with your coding, and good luck.